Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use matched runs feature in Strava. So to get to your matched runs or to use it, actually you need to get through your activities. So where you can find your activities, first you just need to go into training and the top menu right here. Alright, and once you put your mouse into the training or on training section, you will have the choice to get through your my activities or your activities. And right here, as you can see, you will have all or a list of your activities just right here. So once you tap on one of your activities, you will be able to see your activity just like this. So you will have an option just like that one. It's view matched runs. So once you click on view matched runs, you will be able to see the analysis of that activity. So it says matched activities use an algorithm to automatically identify when you have completed an activity on a route that you have completed before. Complete the same routes multiple times and Strava will group all the efforts together in a single chart to show you a performance trend over time. There is another question that too many people asked. It's how do I view my matched activity? It's just like how I already showed you. You just need to click on or to choose the activity that you already have completed, and then you just need to click on view matched runs right here, and it will forward you into some historical analysis. So tap on activity to go to that much. I explained that. Scroll mobile or hover web over the list vertically to highlight the entire on the graphs above. The yellow dots, this one, represents the fastest effort on this route, while the orange dots represent the activity from which you arrived on the history page. So yeah, the orange, that one. So yeah, this is actually how to use the matched runs feature in Strava. It's kinda useful. Yeah, it's useful, I can say. And yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.